You asked what armor I'd give an underwater character, someone who swims. Now this one is much harder than the armor for someone who flies, because while armor is all about putting on extra stuff to protect yourself, let's just say there's pretty good reasons why we wear as little as possible when swimming. Turns out mermen being shirtless and mermaids in bikinis makes a decent amount of sense. Full plate would be way too heavy to realistically swim in. Plus, Brody brought up a good point to me in DMs, the metal would rust. Cloth armor like Gambison, that would get waterlogged and weigh you down heavily. And Brigandine, which has cloth and metal, would do both. Chainmail is one of the lighter forms of armor, but guys who wear chainmail shark protection suits, yes, those are real, they still need an oxygen tank. Even stuff like leather gets weaker and rots with prolonged exposure to water. So we kind of have to get into fantasy materials. I would recommend some sort of crab shell type material, if you can find one big enough. Or maybe we should start hunting whales and sharks again, and use their hides for some water-resistant armor. If you're strong and have fins though, chainmail might work fine, just as long as you find a metal that doesn't rust.